What's up guys, for today's video we're going to put to the test pincher log. Let's see what this thing is all about and what it does. Also we're going to compare it to a regular log holder. It looks like a log tongs pretty much. So let's compare them and see what they do. For the most part, what you would do with them, if you need to grab a log, you just grab it and lift it like this. And if you want to put it down, you put it down like this. So you would have to hold them like this. Use kind of two hands, boom, and then carry it. Let's put this one to the test by itself first of all. So you would hold it like this, grab it by the front and by the back I guess, and hold it like that. And then you would carry it, and then you drop it off right here and just lift this handle up. So makes sense, right? Grab it by the back, by the front, lift it up, and if you want to drop it, all you have to do is just let go like that. Whoa! Sorry guys, you okay, right? A little accident over there. Anyways, let's try this again. But if you want to try to grab it on the side like this, it's kind of flips a little bit. So like this one, you would have to grab them like that, as you can see. And if I want to grab them on the side like this, you see it's on bounce. It flips around on me. But overall it's not bad. You can grab it, put it like that, and let go. Not bad at all. So let's say I need to grab this log. You grab it like this, boom, and lift it. And take it into your wood pile. Pretty easy. Now let me try this one out. If I grab these taller pieces, you see, no problem. I can even grab actually a taller pieces. You know what? I'm surprised. This is easy. And then when you let go, you just release it. So you can even use this one for taller pieces like that. But for smaller pieces, because there is such a small grip right here, you see you have no problem lifting it up. Put it down, boom. So you see, this is just two different tools. You grab yourself a piece of log and you see it's kind of hard to release it. Actually not too hard, kind of swing it and it flies out. Try this with bigger piece. I got here a bigger piece and it flies out. So this one works pretty good too. What I like about this one, it's a little bit taller, so that way I don't have to bend over as much, which is very important if you don't have to bend over. And plus, because there's a handle, you can throw it a lot farther and you don't have to swing it as much. So I like them both a lot. There's a bigger piece. Whoa, this one is heavy. I love the stones because you don't have to bend over much. You grab it, you want to throw it somewhere, you throw it. Once again, grab it, carry it, and then to throw it you go like this. Boom. Pretty cool, I like it. But honestly, at the same time, these log tongs are really useful as well. I bet if I had second one, I could just grab two of them like this, no problem. Or I could just use this one like that. Boom. And then I carry them to the car. So I got here two logs. If I want to pick up this one, I go forward, lock it, I bend over a little bit. With this one you'll have to bend over a little bit more. But you know what, at the same time, they're both pretty comfortable and useful. And then I can just carry both logs at the same time. But again, the big difference right here, this smaller one, you can grab the longer sticks like this, and you see how it stays together, it does not fall. And you just release it like that. Kinda hard to release it, but still it works really well with smaller pieces like this. I mean longer pieces like this. Ow! Ooh, that was painful. But with this one, I don't think it's even possible to grab on this log, you see? Even a piece like this, from the side, there's no way. You grab it and you see it just falls off. So it's mostly to grab log like this with both hands, and it's easier to release it because you're just lifting it up. Look at that, guys, injury on a job. A big bump right here. Oh, it hurts a lot. Oh well. This is what we do to show you guys cool gadgets. Oh well. The next test, ability of the log to throw it into the truck. So you come, bring it in, let go, it opens pretty automatically, pretty easily. So let's say I have here pile of firewood, 3 logs. You see it's pretty easy to take them off as well. Definitely feel it in my back. A lot of work for sure. Okay, let's see how easy it is to load it up now. Grab it, and you see they fall off. Grab it, they fall off. And one more. Not bad, I like it. Okay, let's take off some of these ones. They kind of spin on you a little bit when you grab them. Just one more. But looks like holding up in there pretty good. But now let's put to the test this little gadget, how easy it is to throw it into the truck. Grab a log, release it. You know what? Same thing. Maybe a little bit more awkward because it's taller, so I have to lift it out a little bit more. And when you grab it, it kind of spins on you a little bit. But overall, I still love this gadget a lot. Let me know in comments below which one do you like more. Pinch a log or this one of those weird ones. That's most of them, they sell them like that. I really like them both. There's different jobs for everything. I would use this one for smaller, lighter logs so I can use one hand on it. And this one for bigger logs, so that way I can release them easier. So releasing those big logs are definitely much easier. Definitely much easier to use one of these gadgets instead of use 2 hands. Bend over your back all the way down to the floor, grab it, put it in. For sure, do not do that. Get yourself one of these pinch a log things because it makes it a lot easier. You don't even have to use 2 hands, you're only using 1 hand. Just pinch it, grab it, lift it. Especially when you're carrying it, you carry it with 2 hands. When you're pinching it, you're carrying it with 1 hand. So it's awesome. So as you can see, I could use both of these gadgets to carry 2 medium logs. So that way I'm balanced. I have balanced weight on this side and this side. And that way, because I'm carrying 2 logs, same weight, I'm not holding one weight on one side and hurting my back as well. I have balanced weight and I can work with it actually a lot easier. But anyways, let me know in comments below what do you think about these gadgets. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.